Hi everyone. Hope you all are good. We are here for grade 9 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 9 math and then click on view all lessons. There you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter monomials. Please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. Here I'm on grade 9 math. Chapter we're on right now is monomials. Let's just start with the lesson that is identify monomials. Is 4q cube r plus 2 minus 5r a monomial? That is not a monomial. A monomial is a number, a variable, or a product of numbers and variables. Monomials could not include addition or subtraction. Just look at the second example. Is 5km a monomial? Yes, it is. That is a product of a number and variables. So yes, that is a monomial because it doesn't have any of the mathematical operation included, right? Let's just start with the test questions. Is 1 plus 4c a monomial? No, that is not a monomial. Option 2 is the correct option. Is 5km is a monomial? Yes, it is a monomial. Is 1 plus 3n minus pq a monomial? The correct option is no. Is 380 a monomial? Yes, it is a monomial. Is 3C2 a monomial? Yes, it is a monomial. Option number one is the correct option. Is NP a monomial? No, yes, that is a monomial. Option number one is the correct option. Is 4 minus 4n square p plus 2p square q plus 5p a monomial? No, that is not a monomial. Option two is the correct option. Is 2g square h cube a monomial? Yes, it is a monomial. Option one is the correct option. Is 3 a monomial? Yes, it is. Is 5k plus 2kq plus 5mn plus 3q p square q cube a monomial? No, that is not a monomial. Okay, you can complete a lesson by yourself later today. Let's just move on to next lesson, that is divide monomials. Simplify 2r divided by 2r. 2 and 2 cancel out each other. You are left with r divided by r. That is r. 1 take away 1 is 0. That is r square. R exponent 0. So whenever we have a number that has the exponent 0 is 1. Let's just start with the test questions. 9 and 8 divided by 3 and 7. First, let's just deal with the numbers. 3 times 1 is 3 and 3 times 3, 9 by 3. 3 times 1 is 3 and 3 times 3 is 9. So we have 3. Now just look at the n8 divided by n7. They are dividing with the same numerator. So when two numbers are dividing with the same numerator, their exponents, we can subtract their exponents. That is n exponent 1. So that is 3 and option number 2 is the correct option. Option number 2 is the correct option. That is 3n. n 9m divided by 9m. That is 1. Option number 2 is the correct option. Ten h divided by 10h. That is 1. Option number 2 is the correct option. Two c divided by 2c square. That is 1 by c. Option number 1 is the correct option. Very good. 3a8 divided by 3a, which is the correct option. The correct option is A7. Option number one is the correct option. Very good. 3y squared divided by 3y6, which is the correct option. That is 1 divided by y4. Option number 2 is the correct option. 4u cubed divided by 4u7. So, which is the correct option? That is 1 divided by u4. Option number 1 is the correct option. Nine u8 divided by 9u, which is the correct option? That is u7. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. Multiply monomials. Find the area. Find the base and the height of the parallelogram. The base of the parallelogram is 3 and the height is 2x. So that means the area is b times h, that is 3x times 2x, that is 6x squared. Area of parallelogram is area equals base times height. Let's just start with the test questions. Find the area. Area of the triangle is, that is a triangle, right? So the area of the triangle is half times base times height. The base is 5, the height is 2x. So 2 and 2 cancel out, so 5x, that is the correct option is option number 2, that is 5x. The next one is find the area, that is a rectangle. So area of the rectangle is, that is base times height. Area of rectangle is base times height. That is 9 times 2x. 9 times 2 is 18. That is 18x. That is 18x. Option number 2 is the correct option. Find the area. That is 6x square. Option number 1 is the correct option. Find the area. That is 7x. Option number 2 is the no. That is a triangle. The area of the triangle is half times base times height. You have to do half times base times height. So then that would be 1 by 2 times 7 times 2x. So 2 and 2 cancel out and you are left with 7x. Remember the formulas of the shapes, that is 7x. Option number 2 is the correct option. Find the area. That is 7 times 3 is 21. That is 21x. Option number 2 is the correct option. Eight d times 8d4. That is 64d5. Option number 2 is the correct option. Ten by 5 times 3y. That is 30 by 6. Option number 2 is the correct option. Find the area. Simplify your answer. That is 6x. Option number 1 is the correct option. That is 15x. 3c7 times 5c. So which is the correct option? That is 15c8. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, we are done with the lesson. Let's just move on to next lesson. Multiply and divide monomials you can do in your own. Let's just do the last one, that is powers of monomials. Simplify 6s9 exponent 3. So you have the exponent 3. This 3 is the exponent for both the numbers like 6 cube and s9 exponent 3. 6 exponent 3 is 216. And s9 you have to multiply 9 times 3. You have to expo multiply the exponents. 9 times 3 is 27. That is 216 s 27. Let's just start with the test questions. 2 cube cube exponent 3. So this 3 is the 3. That is 8u9. Option number 2 is the correct option. Option number 2 is the correct option. That is 8u9. Eight x 6 square. That is 8 square x 6 and square. That is 64 x 12. Option number 1 is the correct option. That is 64 x 12. Option number 1 is the correct option. Got it? Four g9 square. That is 16g18. Option number 2 is the correct option. That is 81J12. Option number 2 is the correct option. Option number 2 is the correct option. 9R5 square, which is the correct option. That is 81R10. Option number 1 is the correct option. 8x5 square, which is the correct option. That is 64x10. Option number 1 is the correct option. Seven Z6 square. That is 49Z12. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So we were working on grade 9 math. The chapter we were working on is monomials. The lessons we have covered today are identify monomials, divide monomials, multiply monomials, and power of monomials. So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we just did. That is your homework until next session. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can simply click on the live chat button. Tutors are available there to help you. Or either you can write down the questions in the chat box. I am here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. Any questions? Okay, then that's all for today. See you in the